Hello learners, welcome to Trilok Baba YouTube channel. My name is Mohithe Trilok. Today I would like to teach you a different concept in MS Excel. The concept name is change case. Usually we see a change case in MS Word and MS PowerPoint. By the way, what is meant by a change case? Change case, it is a tool or option which help you in converting capital letters to small letters to capital letters, or toggle case, a sentence case. These options are only available in MS Word and MS PowerPoint. In MS Excel, this option is missing. No worries. By using these formulas, we are going to do a change case for the following text. And then we are going to use upper, lower, proper and trim. Upper means which converts small letters to capital letters, and lower which means which converts capital letters to small letters, and proper which capitalize each word, and trim which removes unnecessary spaces between words. Let's see how we are going to use this formula converting this input values to output values. Let's see. The first one is upper equals to symbol UPPER, upper, open bracket, and follow the syntax which is asking for a text. Text is this input text which we are going to convert from small to capital letters, and then close the bracket and enter. See, this upper formula is converting this small letters to capital letters. Let's see one more time. Let's try one more time here, which is equal UPPER, upper, open bracket, and then select the particular text and close the bracket and enter. See, we have converted easily the small letters to capital letters. Now let's see one more option, one more formula we have, which is lower. Lower means which converts capital letters to small letters. So how it is going to convert? It is also very simple. Equals to lower, open bracket, and then select the particular text, then close the bracket and see. See, this lower option is helping you to convert from capital letters to small letters. We'll try one more time. Equals to lower, open bracket, and select the particular text and close it. See, very simple. We have converted this capital letters to small letters. Now I want to capitalize each word. To capitalize each word, we are going to use the proper formula, which is equals to PROPER, proper, open bracket, and select the particular text as per the syntax and close it and see. See, the first letter in all the lines, the letter has been converted to caps. Let's see. Let's try one more time, which is PROPER, proper, open bracket, and then select the particular text and close it. See, all the words first letter is caps. So we can convert we can capitalize each word by using proper formula. And then let's see one more formula we have which is trim option. Trim is basically which removes unnecessary spaces between words. See, if you see this input value, there is an unnecessary space between this line. See, from basic to formula there is a gap, and formulas to and there is a space. Unnecessary space is there. To remove unnecessary spaces, we are going to use the trim formula. Let's see, equals to TRIM, trim, open bracket, and then select the particular text, close it. See, it has removed the unnecessary spaces between the words. Let's try one more time. TRIM, trim, open bracket, and select the particular text and close it. So this is how we are going to use the upper, lower, and proper and trimmer to convert a text from caps to small, or small to caps, or capitalizing each word, or to remove unnecessary spaces between words. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, Trilok Baba.